Hello friends, the Kobe Land Adventure friends are going to do some fun free things, and this would be a great way to get your little one talking. So at Home Depot, they offer these kid building workshops. Yes, Home Depot also have fun things for kids as well as adults. So you have to sign up for this workshop ahead of time using this link, and you can see all the monthly workshops available for adults and kids, but this one is specifically for kids. It's from 9 to noon on the first Saturday of the month. And once you sign up, you just go and you'll see that there is an aisle that's going to be all set up. That's going to have the actual project. It has instructions. We'll have everything laid out for you. Paint, a little apron that they can take home, and even a little pin for that specific project. So we were so excited that we were able to do the Foosball, which is the mini table soccer game for the month of July. And you can see here that's all laid out. They have the paint, the paintbrushes, little hammers for their little hands, and nails, and everything comes together. And they even have goggles and also a little apron that you can take home. They have these little buckets that you can also use as a seating area. And so, of course, adults, you need to be there with your child to work on this project. So how is this a great way to get your child to talk? So I find that when they're actually doing something and you're mimicking, describing the actual activity, it really helps reinforce that verb, that task, as they're doing it. And of course, you want to help them, and what they can see is there's an end product. So it makes it really exciting to learn new words because they're going to create something out of these words. So what better way is to build things? And this is a great workshop at Home Depot. And one other fun thing about working on this project at Home Depot is that you can see all the other kids building the same activity. And you can see how the other parents are interacting with kids. And so your little one can see what the other kids are doing. And so little kids learn a lot from seeing other kids. You can obviously take home this project to do at home, but what I find is that the kids are more likely to complete the project when they see other kids working on it. They'll see like, oh, so-and-so is painting it blue. I want to do mine red. Oh, I see that little kid who almost looked like my age working on the hammer. I want to do it too. So, for example here, some of the words that you can say is hammer, hammer. Or you can even point out this is a nail. We're using the hammer to nail. The nail. It keeps it together. You can say hammer, 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 or you can say nail, nail, nail. And then you can also position the different projects in a way that's going to be safe for them to work on a project. So for example, here you might want to actually nail the nail first, secure it, so that they can just practice just hitting the nail. And when they see that the nail is actually being pushed into the other parts of the project, they will see that, oh, what I'm doing, what I'm hammering results in an effect. So there's a cause and effect. And so cause and effect is another great way to learn words. And painting. One of the things I love about these projects is there's always some painting involved in these projects. And so you can learn new colors. So you can say, oh, this is blue. Look at the blue paint. Do you want the red paint? Do you want the white paint? Oh, why don't we paint this color a different color? And so you emphasize the word different colors, and they get to choose the colors. And they can see that when they move this liquid across the project, oh, it results in that it paints onto it. And the texture of it, and all of these are washable. So don't worry. I think Home Depot provides these very safe, non-toxic paint for your kids to play with. So we had a fun time working on this project, and using these projects takes about 20 to 30 minutes, and it's a great way to get your kid to learn new words, see a project that's completed by them. And also, if you want to take a tour to Home Depot to get some things, just check it out the first Saturday of the month. And all of this is free. You just have to sign up in advance. So check out these free events, these kids workshop at your local city. Thanks.